If you have been watching this channel from the beginning, you now know what Forex is and you know my story. But I've been getting the same question over and over. Good haze, but how do I actually start? So today, that is exactly what we'll be covering. 6 clear steps from absolute zero to placing your very first trade on a demo account. No broker links, no pressure to deposit money, just the very honest roadmap I wish someone had handed me when I started. So let's get into it. Step 1, get your mindset right before you touch any chart. So this is how it goes. Before you download any app, before you open any account, or before you watch another chart video, you need to understand one thing about Forex that most people skip. Forex is a trading skill and not a shortcut. Yeah, I know that is not what the Instagram pages are selling you, but this is the truth. Every consistently profitable trader you have ever seen got through one thing, and that is they spent time learning and practicing. It's not luck, it is not random, and it is not some special indicator or a $500 signal group. So before step 1 is even step 1, you need to promise yourself one thing, and that is you will not put real money into this market until you have spent serious time on a demo account. So that one commitment will save you more money than any strategy anyone will ever teach you. So that being said, let's move to the next. Step 2, learn the basic language of Forex. You cannot trade what you do not understand. So before anything else, learn the language. What is a currency pair? What is a pip? What is leverage? And what is a lot size? These are the building blocks. And if they sound confusing right now, don't worry. Video 4 on this channel covers every single one of those terms in plain English. So I'll link it at the end of this video. But the point of step 2 is this. Don't rush past the basics to get to strategies. Traders who skip the basics spend years on learning bad habits. But traders who master the basics have a foundation that every strategy can sit on. So spend at least 2 weeks just learning the basics before you move forward. Step 3, choose a regulated broker. This step is where most beginners get hurt. A broker is a platform that connects you to the Forex market. So you need one to trade. But not all brokers are created equal. So here's what to look for in a broker. First, regulation. Your broker must be regulated by a recognized financial authority. In the UK, that is the FCA. And in Australia, it is the ASIC. In South Africa, it is the FSCA. And in Nigeria, look for brokers that are registered with the SEC. Second, it is a free demo account. Any legitimate broker offers this service. If they don't, just walk away. Thirdly, low minimum deposit for when you eventually want to go live. So you look for brokers that allow you to start with as low as $10 to maybe $100. So some of the most widely used regulated brokers for beginners include names like Exness, FXTM, Tickmail, Pepperstone. The list goes on, but I'll be dropping specific recommendations with my affiliate link in the description below as I review them. But for now, do your own research. Check that any broker you consider is regulated properly. That single step protects you from 90% of Forex scams. Step 4, download MT4 or MT5. Once you have chosen your broker, they'll give you access to a trading platform. The two most popular platforms in the world is MetaTrader 4, known as MT4, and MetaTrader 5, known as MT5. Both of them are free and they are available on desktop, iPhone, and Android. So which should you use? MT4 is a classic, while MT5 is the newer version. It has more features, more time frames, and as you grow, you will naturally move towards MT5. My recommendation is download both and get familiar with the interface. I'll be doing a full MT4 and MT5 walkthrough in a dedicated video on this channel. So subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss it. Step 5. Open a demo account and start practicing. This is the most important step on this list. A demo account is a practice account loaded with virtual money, usually 10,000 or more. That behaves like the real account, with real prices, real spread, and real market conditions. The only difference is that none of the money that you are trading is real. So this is where you learn without risk. This is where you test strategies without losing real capital. This is where you build the habits that will protect you when you eventually go live. So I want to say this clearly. Do not mix the demo account stage. Yes, I know it feels slow. I know it is tempting to go live early because you are excited. Traders who spend the most time on the demo account are the traders who lose the least when they eventually trade real money. So spend a minimum of 30 to 60 days on a demo. Watch your results, track your trades, and ask yourself, am I consistently making money or am I losing? Only when the answer to that question is yes, should you consider going live. And even then, start small. Step 6, the last step, and the one most beginners ignore completely. That is, track every trade. And yes, even on a demo. Keep a trading journal. After every trade, whether it wins or lose, write down these 3 things. Why did I enter this trade? What happened after this trade? And what would I have done differently? That simple habit done consistently will teach you more about your own trading than any course ever could. The goal isn't just to trade. The goal is to understand your own trading. Patterns in your losses will show up in your journal before they show up anywhere else. And patterns in your win will tell you exactly what to repeat. Let's recap. 6 steps to starting Forex the right way. 1. Get your mindset right. This is a skill and not a shortcut. Step 2. Learn the basic language of Forex before touching a chart. Step 3. Choose a regulated broker because regulations will protect you. Step 4. Download MT4 or MT5. Both are free. Step 5. Open a demo account and practice for at least 30 to 60 days. Step 6. Track every single trade on a journal. These are the foundation. And if you follow these 6 steps, you will be ahead of 80% of people who enter this market. And in the next video, I'll be breaking down every Forex term a beginner needs to know. Pips, lots, leverage, spread, all of it explained simply. So if this video has helped you, hit the like button because It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who needs this information. Subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment below telling me which of these 6 steps are you on right now. My name is Good Hayes, and this is Simple Forex Secrets. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.